Good afternoon, madam. Welcome. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like a table for one, please.
Certainly. Please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you. Could I have a menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Very well. I'll be right back with your water. Here is your water. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choice. Would you like any appetizers or desserts with that?
No, just the main course, thank you.
Noted. It should be ready in about 20 minutes. Here is your grilled chicken with vegetables. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
How was your meal, madam?
It was excellent, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like anything else?
No, just the bill, please.
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill. You can pay at the counter when you're ready.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, and have a great day too.